Doctor's one step ahead, man. One step ahead. Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. I'm Xavier and today we're going to be watching another episode of Doctor Who. It's the Interstellar Song Contest and it says on the Doctor's quest to get Belinda home, a night of fun becomes a battle to the death. Interesting. So I know that this is based on the Eurovision Song Contest and I think this weekend is when the contest is, so it's supposed to match up with that, something like that. But yeah. Also, last time we saw the Doctor in Lagos, and yeah, so this time he's gonna be in space. Not much more I need to say about that, except let's get into it.
Babe, what's the year?
2925.
Teeth.
Oh, so it just comes out every year to host this contest? Okay then.
All we need is 2 minutes.
Welcome to the 803rd Interstellar Song Contest!
Is Rylan supposed to be some famous person in the UK? I need to do that. I need to check that after we finish. The Interstellar Song Contest. Juno Dawson.
Ready on 26. SOP VT1. Win. Are we ready on pre-record 5?
All queued up and standing by.
Graphics, get ready with the voting link.
Every bit as sweet, rich, and decadent as
Oh, is that Mrs. Flood?
the galaxy's favorite. We were worried about nothing. This proves that the Earth survived.
Wait, I think like Captain Poppy?
They'd let me stay up late for voting, as long as I brushed my teeth and got into my pajamas.
So cute.
We're inside a bubble, on a station in orbit.
Yeah,
Universe is wild, babe.
very wild.
Vindicator ready and prime.
Okay, what's going...
You, Doctor, that's the final link. No rush. I love a good show.
Okay,
Those two people are sitting in seats that absolutely, positively, definitely belong to us. None of this would have happened if you just turned up on time. Don't take anything I do seriously.
Phase 1 activated.
Okay,
What am I supposed to do now?
What does he mean, phase 1?
yeah.
Phase 1
They were, they focused on them earlier when they went into this control room. And now... Are they killing people?
I'm phase 1. Hi.
Who have we got? Oh, hello. I see hot favourite. It's Cora from Trier.
Hello, everyone. Keep them guarded. Although it's a shame they're gonna miss the show.
Ah! I thought she was working with him. She looked kind of shifty when he came in.
Story to decide on new habitat.
Yeah.
And music and joy can unite us all.
Jumping into action.
Let's raise the roof.
Well, I think that there might be
Oh, is the roof just gonna open up and let all the people out?
Is that part of the show?
I don't think so.
Do you know my favorite kind of music?
Oh, corny. Oh. Oh, wait. So the only people safe are the ones in the pods.
I beg your pardon?
What?
Doctor.
This is gotta be, you gotta have some kind of time, go back in time thing to fix this, cause
You're monsters.
That's what people have said to me my whole life. I'm only doing the things you expect of me.
that doesn't make it right.
Not too late. You could still save those people.
Except I'm busy!
Okay, good to have that line in there to show that there's still a possibility of saving them.
It's called a delta wave.
Nice that. Nice.
You could hyperstream a bet to the other side of the galaxy before the results get. So all signals are blocked and closed.
Oh,
No one knows.
right.
No one's doing anything. There's no police or...
Not until the show ends.
And that's why they put on the dress rehearsal.
Got no way out. My mum and dad was just sit there, waiting, like, forever.
You're on the Harmony Station.
Where's that?
Sector Diamond 5.
But where's that?
West of Van Gogh.
He doesn't know.
Dad, where the hell am I? I'm stuck here on my own. And I'm no one.
Hey, you're alive.
There's still hope. As long as you're alive, there's still hope.
Sorry. I'm just...
It's understandable. I would be too.
He was so wonderful. And I never got to tell him.
I saw you save that contestant. Don't say a word. That was the girl from Try On. What's so special? Shut it. Those people can't be saved.
Oh! It's not just... It was just those three that are saved. Everybody else was inside. God, oh, everybody else was... Oh.
Back. Go back. Grandfather, go back.
Susan?
Oh!
Confetti cannon. Nice.
I'm not seriously going to use a confetti cannon to fly through space.
Nice. Nicely done.
Never seen you at work before.
Good, because that would mean you're very ill.
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Just fly through space on a confetti cannon. Yeah.
Very.
All those people are still alive.
Life signs get suspended, but they can be revived.
Belinda.
Smart, smart. I like the science thinking.
Catch them and revive every single one of them. You'd need to be some sort of insane genius.
You got one.
Hello. I'm the Doctor.
Ruin now totally destroyed. They say the Hellions did it to themselves.
I doubt that. Turn it off, Doc. Turn it off. What was that?
I love you.
Oh, time and a place, boys. Was the primitive delta wave aimed at the temporal lobe of the brain? If they route that signal through the station and transmit, it will kill every single person watching.
Oh, that's the delta wave.
They're gonna kill them all. People say they give them psychic power.
Yeah, people say that a lot. About species they don't understand.
Is she a Hellion?
I was in charge of the hologram archive. Did you see?
Ah.
Welcome, visitors. Hello. Wishing I hadn't sold my likeness in perpetuity, but here we are. I'm Graham Norton, long since dead. Oh, sad face.
Belinda would have loved this.
Yeah. But she's still alive.
Friend. I'm her protector. And I swore that I'd get her home.
Stop. Good.
I wonder if that's the actual actress that played Susan Foreman.
Is that the doctor?
Revenge against the corporation. Name is
He's alive!
The Doctor. The last of the time.
Good name for a band.
Is it?
I will survive, and I will find you. And you can run and hide and whimper all you like, but I will find you. So I will cast your body out into the void, and I will stand and watch you freeze to death.
Ooh, damn.
That's not him. Cora, do you know them?
Yes, she does.
She's called Wynn.
That's why Wynn saved her.
How do you know so much about Hellions, Cora?
Because I'm one of them.
Yep. Clocked it.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
Clock it.
Clock that T.
You cut your horns off yourself. Was it by choice? By force.
Ugh. That's like it's like Maleficent.
Nation bought the entire planet, including its population, for one reason only: to harvest their hell body.
Oh, and so that's why
Is it like drugs?
the propaganda.
For that. Do you think you could stop him? They might listen to me.
Maybe.
I've never seen him like this before, and trust me. He's angry. This whole world is going to shake.
I need to do
Not a lie. Not a lie.
single conjugate. Doctor. Once I've done that, if I hit Doctor! Then I can loop this rod into fully energized hyperlink. I had an expert in triangulation.
That's me, sir.
Gary!
Yes.
I like you.
Thank God.
Doctor's one step ahead, man. One step ahead.
You lied to me, Cora. I'm telling you, if I get this done, you're on your own.
Damn. I can understand the betrayal, but she lied for a reason.
When I tell you to stop, you really should stop.
Yeah.
Or you'll regret it.
Exactly.
Because I have met so many versions of you, kid. And revenge is just an excuse. Because your cold, filthy heart just likes to kill.
Right.
If you insist.
Oh, yeah?
Don't move!
In case I do this.
Big mistake.
Nope.
See, the thing about holograms is they're kind of soft. And you convert them into hard light. In which case, a hologram can hurt.
Oh, the doctor's gonna... Yeah, he's gonna take out a lot of anger on this guy.
How many people did you want to kill? 3 trillion! How about we try this 3 trillion times?
Oh, Davies. Yeah. He's torturing this. You gotta stop that. Okay, that was genuinely... Well, okay, yeah.
We had to tell the galaxy about the corporation. What have you ever done, Cora? Except hide.
Harsh but true. She did hide.
Believe me, that ice that you put in my heart, I think it's still there. I think it'll be there forever now. So you take care.
Oh. That was good. That was very angry, Doctor.
Still isn't over. There's still 100,000 people out there trapped in that Mavity thing.
I like how Mavity continues. Instead of gravity.
I had a hologram expert.
Can you do that, Gary? I'd do anything for you. Gary. Anything?
Chill down, Gary. Chill.
I had medical staff that could turn Ryland's cryogenic chamber into a revival booth. What do you say, Mike?
I'll do anything for you. Back of the queue.
Yeah, come on.
Wait, what happened?
Oh, you came back from the dead.
Sums up my career.
Can you do that 100,000 times? Yeah.
They have to. Not like a choice. You better. Soon you will find that there comes a time for making your mind up.
I give to you Cora Simbavia.
What's she gonna do? She's gonna call out the corporation, isn't she?
This is a song the corporation tried to hide. The song of my home planet, Helia. To remember a civilization that the corporation destroyed. Its beauty, its history, its soul. I tore my
I have no idea what she's saying, but it sounds good. Very good. Very, very good. Great voice.
God damn, that boy can sing.
Good girl.
Nicely done, indeed.
I don't think I've ever told you. You're wonderful.
He knows.
Never really know what you're thinking. You scared me.
As he should have been.
I scared myself. Death of 3 trillion people triggered me and made me think of my own planet.
Planet Earth. Age-old home of the human race. Also dogs, cats, ferrets, polar bears, and measles.
Oh my god, it's Graham Norton.
Planet ended on the old Earth date, May the 24th, 2025. Oh no.
Imagine having Graham Norton recite that.
Belle, I am not just gonna take you home. I am gonna save your home.
Problem.
That is the sound of May the 24th.
It was her! Wait a minute.
Here we go. This is the last one.
Then it's safe. Double brainstem froze. Lethal for a time, lady. Let battle begin. Oh, mystery, how inelegant. Oh, I'm ever so sorry, man.
Our name is Virani, although she's become a Rani, while I'm the Rani. Have you got the Vindicator readings? Yeah, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Then come with me, Mrs. Flow. I will bring him absolute terror. That's what I said. Shut up. Yes, ma'am.
Awesome! I have I've heard the name Narorani. I've seen the clip. No, I've seen like a picture. I've never seen anything about her. I gotta do some little quick studying just now before I do my discussion. Yeah! Alright, so that was Interstellar Song Contest, and so the big thing about this would have been the Rani and Susan Foreman. Yeah, so Mrs. Flood, yeah. But we have to talk about like this episode as itself first and then move on to them. So this episode, it was decent. I liked it. We had the Doctor and Belinda showing up for the song contest. We see the people in the control booth, and we also see Mrs. Flood. And so it's set up, eventually the contest going on and everything, but in the background in the control booth we have the kid showing up, and he takes over the guards. And then after he takes over the guards, he releases the people into space, but the Doctor realizes, oh, something's going on, so he inserts like a gravity field to save as many lives in spaces as he can, but he himself gets trapped in there, unfortunately. But then Susan shows up back, and the actual actor who played Susan, she shows up back, and she calls out to him, and then he snaps out of it and uses the confetti cannon to get back into space base. Then he uses Gary and Mike to revive himself and also to try and attack the system. But when he does that, he realizes, oh, so we find out what the delta wave is, and that is when we see the Doctor, and the Doctor touches the script, and bam, like unnerving level of waves exerted on the brain, and they can barely stomach it. And so what happens then is the Doctor and gets to work, and he's like, oh no, I need to stop this. And then Belinda, he thinks Belinda is dead, and so he's like, oh no, things are no, we can't have that happen. And then he gets super annoyed, and then he's just triggered, and when Kid shows up on the screen, it's like, nah, you are going down. And very understandable. On the other side, we have Mrs. Fudge. We get a hint that, oh, she's been keeping track of the Vindicator readings, and she has a purpose for it. And Belinda, she was saved along with Cora and her, I don't know who that is, friend, whoever. And it might have been answered in the episode, but I didn't realize it. Anyway, so Cora and her friend, and we find out that Cora is also from Elia. She's a Helion, and she was forcibly assaulted, and her loss of her horns, and this is similar to Maleficent, and we see that there is some propaganda because the corporation bought their planet, and just to justify the subjugation of the people, they put out this propaganda. That's what I'm inferring. Propaganda that these people are awful and they deserve whatever they get, and so that translates. That's similar to what happened if you see in Andor, where the Gormans, the propaganda the Empire did, and so we see the corporations that Empire, and the companion Belinda, she played Cinta in that show, and so we see the cross melding and the similarities. Yeah, I see the similarities there. But also, and so Dr. says he's torturing the kid, and it's terrifying to see. And then Belinda saves him from doing something he would regret, and finds a way to bring back everybody. Looks fun to me. So, but then the big reveal, he gets in the suit. The doctor finds out about May 24. So he gets back to Earth, and then bam, there's an explosion. Like what? This is like was that the Pandora call? Is that episode where River is in the TARDIS, and the TARDIS is gonna explode at the time, but the Doctor saves her. So something's gonna happen. But yeah, so the episode is gonna end, but nope. We can find out Mrs. Flood is actually Rani. She bi-generates. How? Why? We don't know. Hopefully we find out why bi-generation instead of just a regeneration. And then the previous Rani is now subservient to the new Rani. And so I've never watched anything with the Rani. I just saw the little I just saw the little clip, and she's like kind of like the master, but she is not like an evil. She just inconsiderate. She doesn't care. She's just about her business, something like that. So I understand. She just doesn't care about other species or anything like that. She cares. She's not like, she's evil, but she's not evil like the master. Okay, I get where she's coming from, and I understand the essence of the character now. I mean, yeah, better. But yeah, so things are set up nicely for the next time, and I can't wait. It's gonna be interesting. We didn't get a preview. I think the episode, yeah. So this was episode 6, and so episode 7 and 8, I think it's supposed to be shown at one time or something like that. I don't remember, but yeah. So set this up nicely. Can't wait. Fun. See you next time.